Hello guys, hope you are all doing very well. And today I am back with a new video about the NQT scorecard. And before that guys, if you like my content and my videos, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. And let's start our today's video. So for your information guys, this is a scorecard, NQT scorecard of a 2021 pass out, and this exam was held in October 2020, and I got my interview opportunity in November, on November 28th. Finally my TCS NQT scorecard was published in January. So in this video, I'm going to focus on two things, guys. One is about TCS NQT scorecard. I mean, when it is going to release scorecard and some details about that. And the second thing is about digital exam for the top performers. So coming to the first one, so if you observe in the last year, the TCS has conducted its interviews in the November month and end of November month and December months, but the scorecard got published in January month. So it's not very sure that your scorecard is going to be published before interviews. So simply TCS will be sending emails for the selected candidates in TCS NQT, and your interview will be conducted. It will not release the NQT, I mean scorecard. So after completion of interviews and everything, we got our result scorecard in January. And one more very important thing is to remember that last year, if we observe, TCS has sent scorecards for the rejected candidates very soon. I mean, for the selected candidate, the scorecard was delayed, but those who got rejected, their scorecards were published earlier in December itself. So this is a point to be remembered. And coming to the cutoff, nobody knows what the TCS NQT cutoff is, even for the digital profile. But one thing is for sure, if you want to get an opportunity for the digital exam, the cutoff is going to be at least one code has to be cleared, and that is for sure. And even your cognitive percentage should be at least greater than 75%. This is for digital. The NQT cutoff actually depends on several factors, so don't believe anyone. And coming to scorecards, there are two separate scorecards. One is for cognitive and the other one is separately for coding. So this is the scorecard of cognitive abilities, and the entire exam is out of 1800 marks, in 600 each section: numerical ability, verbal ability and reasoning ability. And if you want to get an opportunity for digital, even coding marks matter. So I have got very good marks in cognitive exam. Out of 1800, I have scored 1614 marks. So to my total percentage of marks is 89.68. So it's a very good, it is considered as a very good score actually. So guys, if you have at least 75% in cognitive exam, it will be helpful for you guys. Now let's look into the subject NQT score or programming. This is separately scorecard for programming, and there were only two coding questions, as you know, and the entire marks is out of 60 marks. And I'm not sure about these 60 marks are like divided into 30. I think it's of 20 for easy question and the 40 for tougher question. And if you observe, I have scored 51 out of 60 marks, and you can ask me why I have scored 51 marks. See guys, my exam was two coding questions. I have executed two questions. I mean, I have executed passed all the public test cases. So coming to the hidden test cases, we can't know whether our code has passed those cases or not. So maybe I have lost marks in hidden test cases. And one more thing is that I gave my digital exam too, guys. I got an invitation to appear for the digital exam, as I have scored good marks in TCS NQT, both cognitive and subject NQT. But due to my bad luck, I did not perform well in digital exam, but I gave TCS interview, NQT interview. I wish all those who have been waiting very curiously for the TCS NQT update on results and interviews a good luck for them. Hope all they should be eligible for the interviews and clear the interviews to crack the TCS job. and I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and this provides at least some information which you have been waiting for. And wish you all good luck, friends, and please subscribe to my channel if you like my content and like my videos. I'll be back with more interesting content which will be useful for you guys to crack a placement. Good luck.